Welcome to another great episode of Real Estate Straight No Chaser with Tara. Today we're going to talk about things you're going to need to prepare yourself to buy a home. It's going to be a quick list. We're going to run through it real quick and I'll elaborate on some of the things when we get to them. All right, so this week on Real Estate Straight No Chaser, we are talking about what you need to do to get ready to buy a home. First thing you want to do is want to make a list of where you lived for the past 2 years, the complete address, and your landlord's, the phone number, the contact information for them. You also need to include on that list for the last 2 years. Then you want to get the names, address, and phone numbers, along with the contact information for all your employers for the last 2 years. Hopefully that's in the same line of work for the last 2 years. If you're a college student just getting into the workforce, then hopefully that's in the same line of work as your degree. Alrighty. Pay stubs. When you're W-2, we want to get your pay stubs covering the last 30 days. And you're going to continue to keep those pay stubs updated with your lender throughout the process until you close. W-2s, we're going to need them for the last 2 years. Federal tax returns, we're going to need your 1040s for the past 2 years. All pages of your 1040s, because they're going to be verifying that you're not writing off anything crazy on your tax return. So hopefully you're not doing anything crazy on those tax returns. Bank statements. We're going to need to have the most current, and they're going to need to continue to remain current until you close. All right, you're going to need to get 2 months of your bank statements, retirement investment accounts, financial accounts, and we're going to also need to get all pages, front and back. Now, if you are not W-2, you are 1099, that means you're responsible for paying your own taxes. Things are going to get a little bit different for you. You're going to need a profit and loss statement, a current and profit and loss statement. And in order for your self-employment income to count, they're going to want you to be in business for at least 2 years in that line of work. So we're going to need 2 years if you're 1099. Okay. I did do an episode a couple of weeks ago, probably a few months ago now, on how lenders count money. That would be a great one for you to go back and take a look at, because I'm definitely going over the different details on how lenders look at money and how they count it. So when you're 1099, like I said, things change for you a little bit, but definitely want you to contact your lender and, like I said, play back that video to kind of see how lenders count money when you're 1099. So those are the things you're going to need to gather just as a preliminary documents. Of course, your lender will ask specifically for what they need for you. If you're doing like a bank statement program, where you're providing 24 months of your bank statements and 12 months of your bank statements. And of course, then like I said, the more unique your situation is and the way your lending is going to be, of course, your lender is going to have to customize your list to you. Well, I hope that was enjoyable for you. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching another great episode of Real Estate Straight No Chaser with Tara, and I hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.